Madam Chair, distinguished participants, natural disasters have always been and will continue to be a hazardous part of our human existence. From Haiti to Pakistan, from Japan to the United States, no corner of the world is immune for tragedy and natural disasters, no borders. As a country which is historically prone to natural disasters, Indonesia has always endeavored to build and strengthen its national disaster management systems. In 2007, legislation was passed to ensure more effective disaster management, and over the years we have greatly developed our institutional capacity by establishing both national and regional level disaster management bodies. To date, all 33 provinces in Indonesia now have their own independent disaster management agencies, and nearly 65% of the districts and cities have followed suit. In addition, disaster research and education programs, early warning systems, and emergency response capacity have been greatly improved. Given the remote village communities are often the most vulnerable to the impact of natural disasters, the government has decided to invest more in DRR awareness at the local level. One such program called in Indonesia Desa Tangguh Bencana, or in English Disaster Resilient Villages, was recently launched by the National Agency for Disaster Management and aims to assist village communities in identifying risks and taking the necessary measures to minimize future damage and loss from disasters. Under the program, village DRR public forums will be set up to improve community outreach and make the process as interactive as possible. Indonesia's commitment to advancing DRR awareness and capacity has been demonstrated through a number of initiatives. In March 2011, Indonesia hosted the Asian Regional Forum Disaster Relief Exercise, an event which provided participants with extremely valuable hands-on experience in handling disaster situations. Indonesia is also very much engaged with the work of the Asian Coordinating Center for Humanitarian Assistance Center, which plays an invaluable role in facilitating cooperation across the Southeast Asian region. Furthermore, Indonesia is to host the upcoming 5th Asian Ministerial Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction, AMCDRR, in Yogyakarta in October 2012. The focus of the conference has been specifically chosen to be strengthening local capacities in DRR, and I would like to take this opportunity today to extend our warm invitation to all of you to attend. It will be a great opportunity for us to share experiences, exchange information, and strengthen our networking as we jointly build a world that is safe and ready for disaster. In closing, may I once again stress the need for us to seize the opportunities provided by today's session and to invest in a safer tomorrow. The audience in this room is made up of a diverse array of people, from policymakers to local community representatives, from captains of industry to dedicated volunteers. Let us pull this diverse range of knowledge and experience and be more assertive in enhancing our cooperation, including by formulating a comprehensive action-oriented framework for effective response to future global disaster. We fervently hope that this new practical framework will be adequately implemented and tested at national, regional, as well as global level, so as to prepare the follow-up of the post-Yugo framework plans and strategy which will cease in 2015. Finally, we would like to reiterate the need for us to pull together, not just when disaster strikes, but in our quest to ensure that when it does, we all are fully prepared. Thank you very much.